Good morning. We just gassed up at Costco in Lodi and we're on the way to pick up my sisters and Ian so we can go to Yosemite. Woo!
We gotta go.
Bye, Dad.
Is it like elevation?
See you guys in a bit.
Is there elevation?
Yes. Bye, Mommy.
Like
Yeah.
elevation?
Yeah. I'll leave my shoes out there. Oh, do you want to put your water in the cooler?
Update. So we've been in this line for like 20-25 minutes and we are still like 1.3 miles away from the entrance, so we'll see if we get there in 18 minutes. Hey, we made it in.
We entered from.
This is a shuttle map.
We entered from Blue Oak.
This is a guide.
Finally parked.
We made it.
All right, so we are at the stop for the shuttle to go to
Vernal Falls.
Vernal Falls.
Vernon? That was Vernon.
Finally, it's like 15 minutes till 1 and we are finally settled and on our way to go hiking.
We left 6 hours ago.
Yeah, we left 6 hours ago. It's only supposed to be like a 2.5 hour drive, but yeah.
What a baby husky.
Can you move on?
All right, we took another break. This is our, I think, 4th break so far, but we are almost at our destination. 0.3 miles. I'm gonna have a drink of water.
Who wants sunscreen?
I'm okay right
I
now.
feel like there's a sunburn on my back.
Oh, really?
Put sunscreen on your back? I can't reach it. I thought I did. There's a sunscreen
Yeah. Up from going down too fast.
I'm falling on the
I should stay in the back then.
Bro, legs are feeling a bit
What? What?
Huh?
What do you say?
He said, I'm telling you guys, my legs are very shaky.
Same. Right, we made it to the end of the trail.
I did.
I was scared.
I was like, oh, shit.
I was helping
I
her.
was like, oh.
Like that one part, I thought was the end of it, and how the rest of the trip I got there.
Yeah.
Going back down right before that, right after that part, there's no rails. That's like the steepest part.
Yeah, this is good enough.
Yeah, I saw what I needed to see. I don't want to see from the top. I'm going walking through.
All right, instead of taking the bus back, we're actually just walking because the lines are super long.
That's not Pittsburgh?
No.
It looks like it.
This one goes, you go out and then you walk.
So we're walking back to our car, to station number 6. That's where Cook's Meadows is. And yeah, look at this really cool view.
Ooh, are those lily pads?
Ooh, I think so.
I wish they were closer. Those lily pads.
Those are what frogs go on in the movies, right?
Yeah.
Feels nice and breezy. All right, we are on our way back to the car. I don't know. Might be a hotel.
Oh, did we pass those right now?
I don't remember. It's kind of blended in with everything.
I low-key wish I bought one of those sticks.
Oh, really? Why?
Because they're cool.
Right, we made it back to the car, guys. Sun is going down. Ready to go home. Did y'all have fun?